Let me just share my screen. I guess my screen is visible and I'm loud and clear.
Yes, yes, sure.
Yes, sure.
Great.
Yes.
Okay. So going to Stack Overflow. So what is Stack Overflow? Any guess?
It's a question and answer platform share.
It's Quora for developers.
Yeah.
Okay. Any developer, 99.99% of developer, once they scale to the next level of development, okay, may not be in the beginning, but once they scale to the core development part across the globe, they can't, means if Stack Overflow is dead, developer can't leave. If Stack Overflow is dead, developer is dead. So it's like that. So it has an answer to every question in the development world. It has an answer to every single question in the development world. It's again a kind of a initiative, again a kind of a what we say, people came together and started this uh, as a NGO part, and then it scaled in such a way that across the globe, people use Stack Overflow for either asking questions or either answering questions. So if you see here, all this, what did APM documentation, where did APM documentation go? And then again, 8 seconds ago, we have an answer. 15 seconds ago, we have an answer. 18 seconds ago, we have an answer. 50 seconds ago, we have an answer. Every 1 minute, if not 1 minute, every second, almost every 1 minute, we have some question and answers. 2 minutes, and across the globe contributing. You'll not see a gap of even at least 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. You'll not even see the gap of even at least 10 minutes. You'll not see a gap of, forget about Stack Overflow going without someone asking question for more than an hour. I don't think so. It has happened ever in decade. So that effective Stack Overflow is. So GitHub definitely collaborating site within the companies, within the team of people, where people are sharing their codes and they're writing the codes in a collaborative way, a single platform, but wherein Stack Overflow, if they're stuck somewhere, they're asking these questions. Any kind of a questions related to development, they're coming and asking the questions. And there are community members across the globe, they are answering those questions, either viewing or they are answering those questions. That means the kind of a data available on Stack Overflow is much higher comparable to any other site. Even the LinkedIn is much higher comparable to any other site, especially for a developers. Okay, but the problem with Stack Overflow, it's not a site where we can identify, means it's not a job portal or it's not a social media site where we can see the full profile of the candidate, and or where we have some of the search operator. We don't really have a search operator also. Like we just go to search help, it do not really understand Boolean. It do not really understand uh, the language of searching for the users. It can understand the language of searching for some titles or anything like that. Okay, the limit to search just title of a question. Okay, anything for the question. It's not a title of a person. To limit your search just to title of the question, use title. Okay. To limit your question for a body, then phrase here, or code, or about user, or about anything like that. So we don't have an option where we can search for candidates directly over here. Even if I just go to user over here, okay, I get all the various users, new users, voters across the globe. I don't really have an option to search users with India, let's say. It doesn't really understand. If I use something like GitHub, You don't really understand it. So absolutely, we don't have any operator supporting Stack Overflow search. Okay, like absolutely, we don't have any operators. If I search for Java, I'll get all those questions related to Java. I'm not getting anything which is searching for a users. Okay, again, I just go to home page. I don't really have any option which is actually searching for a user. So I just, okay, so this is my profile. I just go to my profile. On my profile, I'll see profile activity. Okay, we visited 51 days ago. And then blogs, member since how many years, last seen this week, and then reputations or about me something, then batches, if I have anything. Fortunately, I have one bronze match. I don't know how it has come.
No, I think for all the new joining members, I believe it will give.
I don't know. Okay, fortunately, I'm seeing that in 2016. I don't know how it has come. Okay, and then communities, Stack Overflow, Stack Fault, Mathematics, Meta Exchange. So maybe four different communities that I am in. Okay, but otherwise, if I have to see activities, if I just go, okay, these are the few things that I can see saves or settings, enable overflow search. Okay, will enable. When you flip this switch, you will be opting into an alpha test for our new AI search experience. We gradually enable this feature to user who opt in. You may not see the changes reflected immediately. Let's see what changes they'll show me. Edit email setting, tags watching, tick, 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 tick. Okay, icon press, enable keyboard shortcuts. So when again I actually get into the core backend part, I have not get into the backend part yet, but yes, soon I'm yet to start. But yeah, maybe that time I might share more skills, more knowledge about this. But otherwise, for now, I don't really have anything as such. Maybe I can just go to network profile. In network profile, I would be able to see all this. Otherwise, I just go back. Okay. Now, one is that we can do an indirect search. That's a good thing that we can do uh, basically X-ray searches. Okay. So we can take this part, Stack Overflow, site stackoverflow.com, users. It can go through here and member since. And what are the skills I wanted to give? I can give all those skills and visited, last seen, all those things, Bangalore or all the locations or anything, I can definitely go with. Member for, you can give a ranges. Site Stack Overflow and then users, space. Then let's say member for then let's say bank. Okay, I get all these users. Were member for this many years. So we have not searched for any skills yet, but we just gone with the searches. So he has around 260 265 reputations, then 249, 249,000 people reached out to this person, 3 silver batches, 10 bronze batches, then top tag, score, post, all that thing. Again, I just come here, top 72% overall, number of reputations, Manasvi Batra, member for these many years. But last seen more than 6 years ago, more than a week ago. Okay. So good thing is that we can still, what we say, X-ray them. One is that we can X-ray them with profile, and other thing, we can also X-ray them with activity. Let's say if I'm going with X-ray activity. Okay. So to X-ray with activity, it remains the same, stackoverflow.com/user. But to get into activity, maybe additionally, summary I can use. This part remains same. So this is in the profile part about, yet wherein in the activity, we have a summary part, and then we can go with number of reputations, all those things. With dot dot, we can search all those things, articles, questions, everything. Okay. So that's pretty much about going for a searching for candidates on a Stack Overflow. But most of the candidates, they leave the other links. Like if I say here, he has a link of GitHub with his resume. Okay, absolutely. Let's say you're hiring for your product companies, and if you're really facing it challenging to get the right profiles for your product company, one is because of the competition, and other is because of the salary issues. Okay, but in that case, now you wanted to hidden talent from the services companies who has actually this kind of a hands-on experience in coding and all. That is where GitHub and Stack Overflow will play a major role. Anyone who has such kind of a contributions, anyone who has, now if you see, he has done, is from Dell EMC and Inch, then currently at HCL, OpenText, though from the services kind of a companies, but if you see his portfolio as well, his all these batches, stacks and all everything is pretty impressive. So this is where you're doing the unbiased hiring on Google, sorry, on GitHub as well as on a Stack Overflow, where you're not actually sourcing a candidate based on the company or based on this, what we say, uh, university or college's background. Rather, you're sourcing a candidate based on the number of commits that they have done, based on the number of repositories they have, based on number of reputations what they have, based on number of questions they answer, all those things. Yeah, Raghu.
Shiv, actually, I don't see anything, for example, Java and JavaScript. Such things I can't search here, is it?
Here
I
is
mean,
top text JavaScript,
oh,
2.6
okay.
million watchers, 2.5 million questions,
It's
and he has
searchable, huh?
answered those many. Huh?
Is it searchable through the,
You can search.
okay.
You can search. I did not give us skills yet, but you can pretty much search with those additional skills and all everything.
So what is this 2.5 million? That is the JavaScript people on Stackflow or what?
Hmm? No, no, these are 2.5 million who has actually viewed his answer. He answered to some question, and there are millions of people who viewed his answer and find it helpful. So if you see 230K people reached, post edits. So what were the questions were asked by people? He answered, and those are the people who actually stopped on those answers, checked that. So it's taking all that statistics and showing how effectively your answers are helpful for others and how many people. 247 upvotes, all these things, question votes and answer votes, all these things. Tags, all that. Similarly, here top tags, React, scores, post, all these things. 5 gold batches, reached these many people, reputations, answers, questions. These many questions the person has answered, and 238K people has actually viewed their activity, read the answers, and find it useful. Let's say top 25% this year. How frequently are they answering? So considering all these things, you're going with completely unbiased hiring. Means you're not actually hiring with the fame and brand fame or the IITs or anything. Rather, you're hiring based on the skills. Some people mention companies, some people don't. So he's currently at JP Morgan. You create a CSE for this, you'll have some of the amazing results. This is his GitHub profile, hireable on GitHub, email IDs, all these kind of skills, everything. So most of them have their GitHub profiles or any here they have LinkedIn profile. External profiles, definitely they have it. So let's say I just go here and say C++. Developer at
But Shiv,
Microsoft.
many of the users might not put the same phrase as location, right?
Same
What
phrase
you,
as location.
I
That
mean,
way
say
you
you.
can give the variations. And just the
Okay.
example I've taken. You can give
Okay.
the variations, you'll have a various results.
Okay.
Okay. Top 7% overall. Okay. So good thing is that we can do a X-ray search for sure. Now, what is means how is that we're going to search now? We don't really have this thing. Now it's only that are we going to depend only on X-ray searches? Um, Not exactly. One is that definitely we can create X-ray searches and we can create custom search engines for Stack Overflow, where you get some of the finest developers, the world finest developers are available on Stack Overflow. But otherwise, I go to a website called Stack Exchange, which is basically an exchange for number of sites like Stack Overflow. So Stack Overflow is one of the forum where all these people are coming, right? Talking about all those stuff. Similarly, owned by Stack Overflow, there is something called Stack Exchange. Stack Overflow is already a forum, but stackexchange.com is a forum of forums. When I say all sites, okay. So Stack Overflow is on top. Then server for super user, meta exchange, web application, webmaster. Just you can create custom CSE for all this stuff. If
Yeah.
you're finding a place to create custom CSE, which is focusing on getting a profile from 200 different places, this is the place
Mm.
for you.
Okay. Okay.
This is a forum of forums. It's not just the forum, it is forum of forums. Stack Overflow is one of the forum. The server for super user, meta exchange, web application, webmaster, all this are forum of forum. Yeah, Rajeshwari.
So Shiv, like for instance, this server fault super user, if you click on this, it is another website which will open, is it?
Another thing which will open. You just click on it.
Okay, okay. So this 200 is hosted by this Stack Exchange. So all this data together will get in one
One place.
place. Okay, okay, got it. Thank you.
All owned by Stack Overflow only. Under Stack Overflow only, everything will come. Stack Overflow, mathematics, photography, game
Okay.
development, arcade,
Mm-hmm.
webmaster, all are the same family but different forums.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all technology, culture. life and art, science, professional, business. All these are again same.
Thank you, Shiv. Actually, I'm still adding. This will help me even more. But
Yeah, this
yeah,
will
but after 100,
fantastically
I
help
cannot.
you. Huh?
Yeah, exactly. Have some of them I have already added, but yeah.
Okay. So here now the best thing is that here also we don't have an option to search for engineers. Search all sites. I don't really have an option to search for engineers or anything. I'll get only questions again. I don't really have any option. So I just come to home. So earlier there used to be one option called code, but that is gone now. But now here it came something top users. So Stackoverflow, find text sites, all sites, digest. On that also. Let me see if it is due to UI changes, it's hiding somewhere. So I'm on all these communities. That's the reason it is showing. Stack Exchange. If you're working for some of the big tech, and sometimes you might fall in need of identifying committers or someone who has written the patents and all everything, this site could be one of the best. But let me see. I think all that is gone now. Let me see if it is there in my bookmark.
Anyone can become your user. Need not be from a technical background.
What?
No, anybody even from our sourcing background also can become a
Yeah,
member.
they can. Okay. So fine. I think I have still saved over here data.stackexchange. This link I'll share it with you. So here there's a code actually. So what we need to do, we just need to enter the country name. Let's say India, and then run a query. Then prove that I'm not a robot.
Sure, I missed how we came to this data stack exchange.
Wait for a few minutes. I'll just tell you.
Okay.
No, so it's a query. Okay. You can just take this. Okay, so data.stackexchange. This is a URL which you need to save it. Raghu, this is the URL which you need to save it. There is no way that you can come here from years and
Yeah,
saving
sure.
this link.
Yeah.
Okay. So now enter a title for your query or code or anything like that. So let's see. Yeah, I think I have this query here as well. Okay, I just come here. Otherwise, I can go to compose a query. Forget about how I came. Just save the URL, bookmark it. Okay. Once you come to this query generator, then here is a code. Here is a code. And in code, what you need to do, number of reputations. Yesterday we covered greater than or equal to. Okay. Don't do anything. Don't have to go much technically. Don't have to understand the code also. Just see user reputation, what you not equal to or more than 100. Okay. And then date add month minus
Shiv,
24.
please zoom, Shiv, please.
So just change location and skills. India, Hyderabad, and then here Python. Just change location and skill. Don't break the code or do anything. But let's see, is it still existing or it's gone? Okay, I've just taken that code, came here, pasted. Okay. Don't break the code. I'll share it in the Google Doc. It will have access. Just take a code from there and run it. Text only result, run a query. Anonymous user, run a query.
Where do we get this code from?
I don't know, from years I'm saving it. Somewhere in the forum I learned. And then since then I'm saving it. There was one person just before we went there. Stack exchange. And then top user. There was one person also who shared he himself is a developer. Verification is required. Again, I need to verify.
When I tried to log into this site, it automatically took the details of Stack Overflow.
By default, it is. Otherwise, you can select anything else you want. You take it from here. Let me run. Here is a result. So it gave me the list of result around 33,000. All these people from India, uh, because we gave a location India. Similarly, we can change the location to Hyderabad, Pune, which are the location. And then there's Stack Overflow links. And then earlier it used to come in a Excel. Now there has been changes in this thing, UI. Then any external website, if they have mentioned all those, Google search URL, Google Plus, GitHub search URL, LinkedIn search URLs, Twitter search URLs, basically to find them on other platforms. Something like if I just run GitHub
Which
search
means
type
they are that user URLs, right?
user URLs.
Okay.
Shiv, really,
So
really
Anubhava,
confusing, Shiv. You can repeat this again also once later.
no confusing. This is a URL. Save the URL.
Yeah,
And this is the code. Save
this
the
I
code.
got. Okay.
This is the URL. This is the code.
Yeah, this
Which are
query
the
you
location
ran.
you want? Give that location here.
Right.
Yellow part.
Right.
Okay, just change the location. And let's say if you want Java,
Give Java there. Yeah.
just give Java.
Yes.
Shiv, can we put multiple
After
skills over
that,
here?
No, no, only one at a time.
Okay.
I gave multiple. It is given from India as well Hyderabad also. Let's say I just give,
How can we try it simultaneously?
don't try simultaneously, focus, go through the recordings and then do it. Okay, so Chennai one location I gave, then Hyderabad, then Bangalore. Okay, so lower user location like Chennai or lower user location like Bangalore or lower user location like Hyderabad or lower user location mm, like Bengaluru. Little critical, so just focus. Otherwise, it will be confusing later. This
yeah,
is the
clear.
code. Don't disturb the code. Just edit location and edit. Wherever I have kept yellow highlighted, just edit those two things. Rest everything. Don't disturb the code. Just keep it as it is. Okay, so here we give 4 location: Bangalore, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad. And where to give a search? Data.stackexchange / Stack Overflow query new. Already this is given to you. So let's say you don't want to search in Stack Overflow, you want to search somewhere else in the site, you can search all those sites. Go to the Stack Overflow, you have, sorry, go to the stackexchange.com, you have all those sites. Once you go to the Stack Exchange, once you click on all sites, you'll know all the sites that you want to search from. You can take a name from here. Then once you come to data.stackexchange, you can select a name from there. Once you select the name from there, come here, copy the code. But let me see if it is only taking Stack Overflow. It is taking only Stack Overflow. You have to change that site also. Whatever the site you are giving, concat, whatever the site you have selected from the drop down, see the site URL for the user and give that URL over here. Any other site what you're selecting, then give that site URL over here from the list of sites which are available here, like supervisor, server fault, all those things. For now, we are taking Stack Overflow. Data.stackexchange, Stack Overflow / query new. Otherwise, here this thing also you can just change. If you select a query generator from here, let's say ask Ubuntu. Okay, so it has become ask Ubuntu. So in that case, I just come here, do this. So I should know the ask Ubuntu this thing. Otherwise, let's see. This will search only from ask Ubuntu. Like concat, it is showing from Google Plus or GitHub or LinkedIn or Twitter. It will also go search for those user IDs in a Stack Overflow URL IDs. So now we gave Chennai, then Bangalore, then Hyderabad, then Bengaluru, and then tags Java. So I say text only, and then run a query. So 16 rows result. Because I'm searching on Ask Ubuntu, but I'm giving only the Stack Overflow, guys. So that's a limited results. Okay, from Bangalore, Chennai, Chennai, Bangalore, Chennai.
So which means,
Similarly,
Shiv, the users of Ask Ubuntu who enter their Stack Overflow links in their Ask Ubuntu
only
website.
those ones are coming. Yes.
Okay.
Shiv, actually,
So
up to
better.
here I got Shiv, but what is that result is not clear. Only that part. The query result is showed, no? What is that actually?
That is the result. Again, I'll show you focus.
You could zoom that, it will be easy.
So here it is a code, Stack Overflow. So Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Bengaluru. Tag Java. Whatever we have edited, that is as it is. Searching on Stack Overflow, and here again a Stack Overflow. And I say text only result, run query. Okay. So now here we have a result. I'll not share the doc now. First focus on this, otherwise you'll miss the focus. Okay, so we have searched for tag as a Java, then location user, location Bangalore, or location Hyderabad, or location Bengaluru. Okay, don't disturb the code, otherwise it will get break. So you have all the various locations that you have given, and then you selected text only result. You came to data.stackexchange with the URL which I shared with you. After that, you've given a code. First, you're writing a code in a doc, and then you're changing whatever the languages you want. Only one language at a time. And that is a top language which will search for. And then locations you can give multiple location. If only one location, give all one location only. Bangalore, 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 or Chennai, Chennai, Chennai. Just give that and you copy paste the code here. In text only result, then run a query. It will ask you to verify that you are not a robot. Verify that you are not a robot. And then here you'll get the results.
Shiv, please zoom this little bit. This part only.
So display name, this is their usernames. This is their location. Earlier it used to be in Excel, but now it is not there. registration date, when they have registered on Stack Overflow, when they have last access Stack Overflow, how many reputations they have, then how many views they have, then what is a Stack Overflow profile URL, then additional external website URL that they would have mentioned in Stack Overflow, like LinkedIn, GitHub, or their personal websites, WordPress, personal website, blogs, all those things. And then query generator to search for them on Google search. How do you search? Like google.com. Basically, Google search using their user ID. It is searching on a Google. You can copy paste this in a Google. Otherwise, Google Plus search. When Google Plus was there, that time it was built some 10, 15 years ago. And since then, I'm just kept on maintaining it. GitHub search URL. So let's say I just search for type user and query is equal to Anubhava. It will search for that person. I just go here, Anubhava. Otherwise, in URL Anubhava, you do site GitHub in URL Anubhava. Anubhava Kashyap, Anubhava, so many Anubhavas are there. Rather, I just take this. Let's say Anubhava. So, may not be. This could be separate Anubhava, but 2010 he has joined, but no contributions at all. But almost 13 years of experience. No repositories, nothing. He just joined and went to where Stack Overflow and started the stuff there. But over there, if you see, he's on top. No repositories. That's as yesterday I was saying, don't get biased with GitHub, number of repositories, number of followers or anything. Here you see nothing is there on GitHub, but on Stack Overflow, he's one of the topest user. So LinkedIn. Lead engineer architect at Yahoo. Wow. Then AOL. Parrot Systems. So here nothing, but if you see other links, 28 years of engineering experience. So if you're working for some of the topest companies where you have faced a lot of duplication or an excellent engineers, then this could be your place. Definitely there's a hard work for sure. Registration 2010, he has registered. Last access, reputations. Okay. So just take this. What is this message? It's coming now, but earlier it wasn't there. But let me just copy. How much is the data first? Let me see. 35,000 in these 4 locations, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. 35,000 developers. Imagine you have a URLs of this, user IDs of this 35,000 developers. And by using a user IDs, you're able to get their Stack Overflow profiles. Here is their Stack Overflow profile. That is not guess, that is as accurate. And again, if not 100%, but at least 60, 70% have the external URLs. Imagine the data what you have of the developer to churn. And all these are core hands-on developers. Any developer, at one point of time in life, not at one point, because there is a say if Stack Overflow is down, neither ChatGPT can help nor Google can help. It's not a say, it's reality. Let's see what people has to say. Till tomorrow, observe this question. What people will say, you'll have answer for it. So this is the data absolutely free, available for you. I can't copy this much any which ways, but let's see, we'll copy a bit.
You will do Control A and select all and paste it in Excel.
You can do that, but it is selecting everything. You have to copy like that.
We can remove the top and everything. It will be easier, even if it is Control A.
What?
Even if we do Control A, like we can remove the top thing. That will be easier instead of scrolling
Yeah,
down.
yeah,
I
that
mean,
you can do.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Any which ways, let me just take some data.
Oh, all 34,000 are coming in one grid only, Shiv. There is no next page kind of thing here.
No next page, one page, everything.
Great.
And can we save the HTML format of the page, or is it not when we are entering the?
Break.
It will break. Okay.
Is taking like this now, is not taking the way. Earlier it used to be in Excel actually, but let's see in case there is a way to make it in the Excel.
You right click and paste options. You tried in Word only.
No, it's not there. Earlier it used to be directly in Excel itself. Include exclusion map. Text only. So created October 6th. His name used to be there. It is not showing now. Samuel or something his name. He is the one who created this. Yes, I got now. Awesome. Okay. So download CSV. Downloads. Even CSV is taking time. He's the one who has created this. I don't know for recruiters he has created or for whom he has created. Definitely he has done fantastic job. Now it is showing anonymous, but otherwise earlier it was some Samuel or someone.
How you enable the CSV now? Option.
There was
Validate.
one option. Once I go back, let this get download first. Okay, just go back. So here, permalink is there. Permalink. So I just clicked on this. Then it has become something like this. Yeah, the whole CSV has come. Yeah, here is the data. LinkedIn. GitHub. And there's some of the topest engineers. Anubhava, you see nothing on GitHub. But if you see here, highest reputation, highest views, all that stuff. Now you go with complete unbiased hiring. Yeah, Raghu.
Shiv, one curiosity question for me here is like, it is giving me the data, but based on, I mean, like you search for Java and it gave me this data. Like, I mean, is it this ranking, no, the reputation or anything that indicates something, or it's my responsibility to go to each and every profile and see who is really good in checking their LinkedIn profile or
One is
anything as such?
definitely indication. Ranking reputation views is the highest indication. After
Okay.
that, you see randomly you pick any profile with the ranking or low or high ranking. They are some of the amazing profiles.
Mhm.
If I just go to a last profile also, software engineer at Microsoft.
Oh, okay.
That's there it is, the last profile which has the least ranking.
Yeah, yeah.
So definitely you have to do that little bit of extra work if you're facing duplication. Anyone who is working in the product companies or big tech companies knows the pain of duplication. Is this data helpful for coders
100% sure.
and authentic and amazing data? Just amazing data. Even
But
if you see the
clarify me one doubt here, Shiv. Actually, even your previous organization is at Twilio or Amazon or Flipkart or Walmart, this level of big tech companies and product companies, they actually don't believe on one skill set, right? Like either Java or
they go
Python.
with any
So
object oriented.
okay, okay,
They go with Java or C++ or Python or Go or Golang, any object oriented for them. They're not language agnostic.
okay, okay. So they might be going thoroughly with DS and object oriented.
DS and algos. And all those people are sitting actually here. No LinkedIn can beat it, no GitHub can beat it, Stack Overflow. Even the last result of the last page, if you see, he is working at Microsoft. PhD in engineering from BITS Pilani. But again, it's not about going with only with the company or again only with the universities. Anyone who is working on service companies, and if you are fed up of competition, if you're fed up of a dropout, if you're fed up of budget, this thing, that thing, you do this search, pick up some candidates who are at services companies, but you are getting some amazing results. And these are the people, even from services companies, they are hands-on.
If they don't have any LinkedIn account or any other contact details, like how to contact them, just only with
Very
Stack
few would
Overflow.
have it, but 60 to 70%, at least 80% of them will have it. So
Okay.
let's say this person, Google Plus.
If you expand the links, that will be more visible, Shiv.
Hmm?
If you expand that links, particular links like LinkedIn or Stack Overflow,
COD column has not.
This is Stack Over. This is external websites. At least if you see, if not 100%, how many? 1,819, 1,819 people, almost 2,000 people left additional things. And then any which ways, GitHub is also there.
Yeah, this is very good actually.
This is just a search and then GitHub. And mostly on Stack Overflow, almost 90% or 95% of candidate would have logged in by using their GitHub account. So when they have logged in by using their GitHub account, whatever the username of GitHub has become a username on a Stack Overflow. There was another thing which is by country. I don't know whether it is working or not, but let me see if it is. told you right earlier, there used to be an operator called YOE. These were those operators, but it's all dead now. All these popular baby names, all this from where I got this all diversity names. This is talent. This is expensive. I don't think I will be able to log in. This is Stack Overflow job posting site. This is, and it's one of the expensive job posting site across the world. No LinkedIn, no Twitter can beat Stack Overflow job posting cost. I don't think I have it. This was with one of my other. Okay, top users by country. Country name. He's the one. Samuel Liu. He's the one who built that one, and he's the one who built this one as well. So I just give country name, India, and then include, exclude. Did somewhere in 2011. And I knew this since 2012 or 13. I've been saving this. Your execution. Just do this. Okay, again, Anubhav on top. So let me see for query. Yeah. So this is only by top. Earlier it used to be something CSV file as well with additional links too. But top users by country created by Sam Leo STP. Select number of word. So it's in order about top users. So let's see all the reputations. Earlier there used to be a user link and all. I think maybe due to compliance or people started reaching out and they would have complained it, and that could be one reason that they removed.
These two links are same only. That by country you did and a previous one.
Links are same, but now the UI is gone. Means the format is changed. Earlier you used to see all the like the way we are seeing a link over here.
Correct.
Like In previous search, we have seen the link, right? It used to
Yes,
be
sure.
like that, but it is gone now. Their username, everything used to be there. So I think this is no more useful. But whenever it comes, I might post in a group.
So is it username or username link?
No, it's no more a link now. Earlier it used to be complete link, complete username, everything. But now it's gone.
So maybe if we put them after Stack Overflow forward slash, sorry, GitHub forward slash, maybe I
No, but
think it.
let's say undetected selenium or Avinash Raj, Pranay Rana, Rahul
Yeah.
Tripathi, Mr. Alien, Jitendra Vyas. Maybe you can search with the name, but again, high
Name
chances
and
of getting
reputation.
false positive.
Anyway, we give reputation and name.
Try. You can give it a try. But that is the other one is still existing. Maybe this one you can use it pretty much.
This one is really nice, so that we can get all the details.
Like this.
So Shiv, sometimes like for example, Go language is there, right? So if you
Let's
just put Go, it will detect, or what
see Go or
exactly
Golang.
you have to
We'll
put?
try with Go. Text only result. Run query. No, Go is named.
Okay.
Golang. Maybe recent languages are not there.
Maybe Go
PHP,
programming, something like that.
PHP few are there.
iOS.
No, it has to be a programming language.
Hmm.
Any object-oriented language.
Swift or Objective-C.
You can take it as a Python, no?
C++, no.
You above in the drop down, you selected something else, right? In the very beginning, it is still there. Some other tool you selected just above this.
No, this is programmer. This is a different link. I think that's the reason
No,
we are not
in
getting
that
the
Stack
results.
Overflow or something. Yeah, yeah, that is there. Compose query.
Compose query. So yeah, now here we'll get it. Do this. Plus plus. So strange. Because so maybe for few languages like Java or JavaScript, for those one we have the highest number of profiles.
Okay. Can you please check for Python if it is working? I think for Python it should work.
Python it is there. We have decent profiles. So these two we need to check. This is stackexchange.com / Stack Overflow, and here Stack Overflow. Because again, Stack Overflow is also forum, biggest forum. You discuss this thing in an interview like companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, you're on the top pick. In sourcing
I think
rounds, if you discuss all these things with this same kind of a companies, you're on top pick. But we have to
What is
keep
it?
on using it. GitHub,
Okay.
Stackoverflow, all Stackexchange, Dribble, all this thing. You have to keep on using it. Then only you'll be able to
More often to
confidently tell
research
and
yourself.
confidently.
See,
Huh?
at least you need to use for research for 6 months. Then you'll be perfect. Then only you can
6
apply for
months,
the
1 year.
opportunity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least you need to. I was at Capgemini. I learned all this at Capgemini, and that's where immediately I got picked by Amazon.
Okay. It is more of a data mining. You should keep mining
Yeah.
everything, and one day will be perfect.
It's not one day efforts. It's over a period of time.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. We would have met you 10 years back. It would have been much better.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Sorry for that. We did not met.
Even I would want to say the same.
I think.
You try CPP, it may be.
Ten years back, I was learning all those things.
At least we would have got your contacts. No, okay. Until June, I was not aware about who is Suresh. Okay, but today, Shiva Kumar, I got to know through some contacts. Until then, I would have not know you at all.
It's thanks to COVID that it has got me to disclose all these things. Where
Okay.
I was at Amazon, then I said my manager, why can't I provide the trainings? I was internally providing all these trainings to Amazon India, Amazon US, and then it's COVID which hit the market, and then that's where people started losing their jobs and all. Then I just thought, why can't I go ahead and provide these trainings to external? And that's how the idea started. Then my manager told, as you're a full time, you'll have to work on the approvals. We worked on approvals, and like one of the director really appreciated the idea at Amazon. They said, just go ahead and do it, and try to see if you can just convert some of the virtual sources from your trainings for the next year that we might need. Then immediately from the first, second, and third batch, whatever the trainings I've done in that from that batches, almost like 25 plus virtual sources are onboarded. Now almost everyone is a full time, and there are people who don't want to convert to a full time because they're enjoying that freelancing only.
I think you are making a cash cow. Everybody is a cash cow now. I think you will be a
This
big.
is PHP. This is what PHP skill. So yeah. Today, while I was providing a training at SockGen, then they were telling only the LinkedIn I'm providing in last 2 days. They were like, "This is just amazing. I think we should not renew our Naukri now. They're demanding like anything. They're becoming a monopoly, and you don't have an idea the way they are demanding." I was like, "Oh, okay. I think soon they are going to cancel that."
Now going forward, Naukri will come and partner with you, Shiv.
Yeah.
Naukri will come and partner with you because they will lose the business.
I'm
Because
telling you, right? Naukri has come up with this program where one of our team member is also involved in that program, where they're asking you do a Duke check and submit a resume, which is from all this program from GitHub, this thing, that thing, and all. And if you submit a non-Duke resume, you'll get 300 rupees per resume per day. I said, go ahead and submit 10 resume per day and make 90,000 to 1 lakh per month. I'm happy for that. All right. So that's about
Still
Stack
in this
Overflow.
query, we are unable to fetch for C++, right?
C++, maybe some stuff, but
You
let's
try
see
with
once.
CPP? CPP?
CPP, it won't recognize.
Can I write a new query? Let's C++ only. Mhm.
They are pretty much busy in their work, maybe.
See,
C might come. Oh, C also not there.
too many query running. You may have to run into queries. I don't know where to be. I think we'll have to take some gap and do it. But yeah, that's how. Again, it's catching robo activity if you're doing very fast. But yeah, that's pretty much about Stack Overflow search, where it's available in the doc which I've created. What you need to do is just come here, go to this URL, data.stackexchange. Don't ever lose it. This is a gold mine. You don't know when it can be helpful for you. In interview also, if you want to share, please feel free to share. Okay, data.stackexchange, Stack Overflow, /query/new. And then here the code starts. Copy this code, just save it on your desktop and enter what are the skills you want and location, and then paste the code to this URL and run it. And go through the recording, you would know how to get not just the text, all those links and all everything. All right.
Shiv, one question, Shiv.
Mhm.
I got the way you did it for the Java or Python such languages, but you said like country wise you did, no? That was the different link altogether, because there you give selected the
It was the
country.
same link, but it is not working now. I think due to restrictions,
No, where you gave the country name there, then India something you gave, right?
it's not working now. Just exclude it.
Okay,
That's fine.
okay, okay.
If it is working, I would have given you already.
Shiv, where can we find this document?
I'm sharing with you.
Okay, thank you.
Please give read-only permission, Shiv.
Only read only.
Yeah.
Because if the code breaks, that's it, gone everything.
Yeah, that's not.
Only view.
I think it's not working.
It will work. Wait for some time. It will work.
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
But we are unable to do anything. Okay. Yeah, one by one is getting updated. Okay.
It's not opening.
It's opening. It's opening.
It
It'll
will
take a
open.
little.
All are accessible at once. So just copy and save it on your doc first. And
If
from
we
there, you
can't
do the
copy,
activity.
we can't copy this link from here.
I can't give edit link. You can copy.
You
Why
can
can't you
download,
copy?
no? You can download. Once you click on that, it will give a page. From there, you download the page. It is easy.
Download that. Like here you go, file, make a new copy or
No,
download.
download.
In the chat window, please don't copy. Chat window, you have to only click. Then only it will open in a new window.
Yeah. So either download or just make a copy of it and save it for yourself. All right. So that's about Stack Overflow source team. Hope that helps.
Wait before. Let me get
What?
that. I'm not getting that link.
Just download. Go to file and download.
Click on that link. Actually, she's trying to copy, I think. Copy is not allowed
No.
in.
Not copy also, it is not opening only.
Which
Oh.
link? This link.
No, not this link.
No,
Uh,
go to file and then go. There is a download option, Sangeeta.
I'm not able to open the Google Doc only.
Can you
Since
share your
everybody is
screen?
working, maybe it's loading.
Sangeeta, can you share your screen?
Yes, please.
Let me stop the share and let me allow you to share. Yeah, you can share it now.
No, it is still disabled. No. So this is the Chrome. Okay. And now I come to chat.
I don't think we are able to see your screen, Sangeeta. Is anybody else able to see your screen?
No.
It's all black.
Wait.
I think you have just selected one screen. You have to select the whole window.
I'll select the whole window. Can you see now?
Yes.
So this link I have to click on.
No, we can't see.
Now also you can't
I can see
see.
Lokesh.
So Lokesh only. So I'm clicking on the chat now.
No,
Which chat?
we are not able to see. You have to go to the chat of this training group. There he has shared.
Yes, there only. I'm going to the chat.
No, you're again sharing only one screen.
Yeah, it
should be reshare.
Let me share again. Let me stop sharing and share again once again. Basic, and I'm sharing the entire. Can
You have
see
not
now?
stopped the share yet. You have to stop the share and reshare.
Maybe it's not. Maybe I clicked on the link so many times. It's not. Okay. Has it stopped sharing?
Yes.
Let me share again. Maybe internet issue could be. Let me try.
I'll share in the WhatsApp group. Just see in case if you can access from there.
Now can you see?
I shared in a WhatsApp group. Just check if you can access from there.
I'll do it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shiv.
All right.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thanks, team. Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you,
Have a
Shiv.
happy
Thanks,
weekend.
everyone.
Bye.
One
Just a
small last.
second. Just be online for a moment.
Yes.
Shiv, you said that you will share that GitHub videos.
I'm yet to
Yesterday's
upload.
video
Tomorrow
I
I'll upload.
Yeah, sure.
I missed the last part yesterday, so
You said us to remind you, right? So that's why I'm just
No,
trying to
tomorrow I'll
remind you.
upload.
Yeah, thank you. And also this also.
Sure, one more. Level 3 is not opening. Test link is not opening.
No, it is blocked for now.
When will it open?
I'm working on new template. Maybe I'll ask everyone to retake,
Okay.
which will have a new look altogether with Microsoft branding and all.
so more confusing and more difficult. Shiv.
No, that will be level 4.
But certificate will be very beautiful, it seems.
Is it Shiv?
Yeah, certification will have a Microsoft branding.
Oh wow, that'll be great. So the test which we took the 60 questions, well, we have to retake that again. You're making
Yeah.
money. Okay.
But it's worth because you get the certification with Microsoft branding.
But she will make it like level 4, right?
No, this level
Oh.
3 only. Just 80% is the passing score. You just retake the same test and you'll get it with the Microsoft branding. So I'm working on that.
So what happens to the 98 we scored initially? That goes now.
If see, that's nothing. If you want to take it with Microsoft branding, take it. Otherwise, previous one you keep it. Anyway, just going forward, all the certifications will go with the Microsoft branding. And this 10th, I'm traveling to Google office. They have called for the startup event. I think like Google is also almost in. Almost in, no, it's in. It's just that few certifications are yet to come. Few
Great.
branding
Congratulations, Shiv. That is
tools
really,
and
really
all
great.
yet to come.
Congratulations, Shiv.
Thank you so much.
Great work.
Congratulations, you.
Shiv, I have a doubt over here. So, as you are running a business and you are recognized by Microsoft, and you said previously that you would be
Let me
getting
stop the
access to
share
Azure.
once. Just give me a second. Let me stop recording.